Church, wake up. You are living in the end of times. The time of grace is coming to an end. Come back to Jesus Christ and live a life of poverty. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to have all these billions of properties and churches, going all the way to heaven. You don't need all the wealth. You see, the wealth destroyed your faith. You became rich with money. You became extremely poor and starving with spirituality. Christ has walked away from you, church, because you replaced Christ with the dollar sign. The time of grace is coming to an end. The Pope does not need to sit in a limousine. The patriarch does not need to be dressed up in gold and linen and live in a mansion and have millions in the accounts. Enough! Wake up for the Lord's sake. Wake up, church. Wake up. You don't need to be rich money-wise. You need to be rich spiritually. Spiritually, you need to be rich. I'd rather serve the Lord in a tent and not serve Satan in a citadel going all the way to heaven. What's the point of entering a cathedral that is massive, so expensive, and yet I'm worshiping Satan? I'd rather be sitting at the gutter and worshiping Christ. Have you forgotten that you are the temple of God? It is not the building that is made out of brick and mortar. It is your heart that is the temple of God. You are the church. The church has lost the sense of direction. We measured things in a materialistic way.